This video demonstrates the steps to back up an existing Moodle course and merge the course contents into a different Moodle course or space, or overwrite an existing Moodle course with the content from the backup file. Please note, if you are copying a course between semesters, do not follow these steps. Use the course copier that is built into Wolfware. Backup and restore is only needed for moving between servers or for importing and restoring only segments of a course. To start, choose the More options from the course menu in the course you want to back up. Select Course Reuse and then Backup from the drop-down menu. On the initial settings page, select or unselect any course components for backup. Typically, leave these at the default options and choose Next. You can then check or uncheck boxes to select specific content. Then scroll to the bottom of the page and choose Next to continue. On the next page, you can change the file name to something you will find more easily. But be sure to leave the .mbz file type at the end of the file name. The rest of the page shows a confirmation of what you have selected or unselected for backup. At the bottom of the page, choose Perform Backup. This step may take some time. When it's completed, you will be notified on a new page with a green banner, and you can click Continue. You will then be able to download the backup file to your computer so that you can restore it into the different Moodle course. Be sure to take note of the location where you download the file so that you can find it later. After downloading, go to the course in Moodle or the project space in Moodle where you want to add in the backed up Moodle course file. In that course, choose the More option from the course menu and then choose Course Reuse. Select Restore from the drop-down menu. On the Restore page, upload the backup file that you created in your course backup. Confirm any settings and then select Continue at the bottom of the page. On the destination page, you will choose Merge the backup into this course to preserve any components already in the course, or choose Delete and Restore. If you choose the Merge option, you will not lose any of the existing content in the course you are restoring into. Choose Continue after making your selection. Choose any additional settings that you want pulled in from the backup course. Typically, leave these as the default settings and choose Next. On the course settings page, leave everything selected in order to merge or restore the full course into your new space, or select only specific course components to restore. Then, at the bottom of the page, select Next. Review the settings and select Perform Restore at the bottom of the page. Clicking Perform Restore is the final step. Then you can edit the course in its new course location. If you selected Merge the backup course into this course, then you may have to move some course content to different locations within the new course. Contact LearnTech at ncsu.edu for further assistance.